Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a colorful text box in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. I'll make comment text box. Now click this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option. Click here and this is comment text box icon. Click here and drag your mouse and draw your text box. Also you can type here text box. I'll paste text. Since text font size. Okay. Now since and see this and click this comment text box and select and see the selecting icon showing. Now click right button and select properties and here you will find this border color option and make border color blue and increase border thickness and fill color that is this one and see this colorful text box already created and again draw a text box and select click right button for properties. Now since text box border color and fill color, you can choose other fill color. There is custom fill color, this one, select it and see this. Now type your text here. Yeah, in this you can make colorful text box on your PDF file and finally select close and select file, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.